Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy J8, or I would say Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to reset your phone without losing the data. So let's begin with that. So let's assume your phone is showing you some random errors and you are so frustrated that you are planning to do the factory data reset. So I will suggest you that before doing that, if you can follow this trick and see if this will be helpful, that will surely save a lot of time at your side, like data backup process, then data restore, then installing the new apps and setting your phone and so on. So for that, you have to first tap on settings button, and afterward just scroll to the very bottom where you'll see about phone. Just tap it here again to the scroll to the bottom, then you will find this reset. Just tap it here and you will be presented with few options or settings. So if you are just facing for the network related issue, then I'll suggest you to tap on reset network settings and see whether it is resolving or not. But again, if it is system wide, then I will really suggest you to tap on reset settings. So it will prompt you afterward that this will reset all the settings on your phone except this one, like security related to your pin pattern, password, face unlock, fingerprint scanner, and so on. Language settings, if you have set up some English language, Hindi language, Punjabi, or whatsoever you are. Then accounts like Google accounts, Samsung account, and so on. So those will not be, I would say, deleted or reset and so on. Your personal data, be it audio, video, images, all will be there. Settings for downloaded apps will remain the same and so on. But it will reset the settings system wide, which are like except these one. So if you are pretty sure about this thing, then I would suggest you to tap it here. Otherwise, let me show you one more thing. At this moment, sorry, I am connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Once I'll do this reset setting, I'm be like I have to again connect to the Wi-Fi connection because it will reset each and every bit. So I know that okay, I have everything handy in my side in terms of information to connect to the Wi-Fi connection and so on. If you are also, or if you are ready to go with the next step, then and only then tap on here like reset setting. If you have set up any pin and pattern, then it will ask you for that. Just enter that, and if it will find legit, then it will prompt you for the very last time, like all settings will be reset to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply new setting, your phone will be restart. If you are pretty sure, just tap it reset setting and it will prompt you like restarting device to reset setting, please wait. So after a while it will be restarted, and it will take 1 to 2 minutes to fully reboot your phone to the login screen or home screen. And afterward you will see that your phone settings have been reset, and I'll show you and verify few things. Let's wait this for this particular whole reboot process until unless we boot to the home screen. So our phone has been booted to the login screen. So let me enter the password or pin whatsoever I have set up, and this will also confirm you that your login information will not be reset with all these reset setting. So if it will found legit, then it will allow me to log in. Now even you can see the brightness level has been reset. So I'll be just making it to the one which is desirable. And aside to that, before that doing reset setting, I have shown you that I was connecting to a Wi-Fi connection. So let me tap it here, and this was a Wi-Fi connection. Now it is asking me to enter the password and so on. And aside to that, other settings, like if you have set up display setting, like your phone should not be logged until this minute and so on. So earlier I have set up it for 2 minutes. Now it will be reset to the 30-second bracket again. So again 30. So I'm just going to move it again. So by this way your settings will be reset again, and afterward you can see whether the underlying issue has been resolved or not. If not, then only thing is that factory reset process. And again, sometime it is hardware related issue, then I will also suggest you to visit any nearby Samsung authorized center to show your phone, and they can tell you whether it is a hardware problem or software problem and so on. So this was all from my side related to how to reset your phone without losing the data on Samsung Galaxy J8. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.